I'm Chad Daywald, Regional Vice President for Alert 360. I'm proud to be at our new Video Works factory. Doubled our space, really set us up to be way more efficient, higher production, higher numbers, really just to meet our sales demand, which is ever growing.
We're in a 7,500 square foot building. We have 3 stations to build MSUs and 2 more stations the technicians use to build PSUs, SSUs, as well as just do some of the prefab stuff, such as building camera heads and putting together the trays that we have in all the MSUs. Due to popular demand, we are building about as fast as we can, and Don Esther and his team start cutting all that stuff up, putting it together. They'll build all the parts they need for 24 towers at a time, and then once they're done powder coating, they bring them over here to this side. Then we have Mark Bryant, who's now our production manager. He's in charge of 5 guys that all put together the PSUs, SSUs, and of course the MSUs. So they'll have 2 or 3 of them built by lunchtime, and then the rest of the afternoon they spend building parts for the next evolution of our unit.
It's a great team atmosphere. The guys, I think, have a real camaraderie, plus they work hard. Everybody wants to stay up with the production numbers, and everybody really does their part. We've doubled our team and doubled the size of our factory, plus we have room for expansion where we're at now too, so it's really a win-win for us. I'm proud that we were really an early adapter of this technology. When we started building these, there were very few people making them, but you look now, they're all over. We've been doing it longer than most other companies have been. I just think it's going to continue to innovate. We're going to continue to make things better. I just see this as being something that not only we can put these units in a construction site, but after the construction site is completed, we're also putting the same technology and the cameras on the building with the end user and the customer. It's just a relationship that can continue and grow.